First, grab the Quick Selection tool from your toolbar. With the shirt selected, press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selection onto a new layer. This step separates the shirt from the rest of the image, giving you complete control over it. Next, click on the Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. From the menu, choose Solid Color. A color picker will pop up. This is where the magic happens. Choose any color you like. Now right-click on the Solid Color layer and select Create Clipping Mask. This step ensures that the color only applies to the shirt and doesn't affect the rest of the image. Change the blending mode of the Solid Color layer to Multiply. Instantly, the color blends beautifully with the texture of the shirt, keeping all the natural shadows and highlights intact. Not happy with the color? No problem. Just double-click on the Solid Color thumbnail and the color picker will pop up again. You can experiment endlessly until you find the perfect shade that makes your photo pop.